Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to deposit BNB on Coinbase Wallet. Now, in order to deposit your BNB on the Coinbase Wallet, it's pretty easy. The receive icon, simply click on the receive icon, and once you selected the receive icon, where we have your Ethereum address, click on the Ethereum address option, and when you select the QR code option, you have the chance of simply scanning your QR code to receive some BNB tokens or easily copying your Ethereum wallet address. This Ethereum wallet address also works as the address for your Binance Smart Chain, that's the BNB. And once you've copied this address, you could easily receive tokens on your wallet. Now, if you were to head to the gear icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, head to the networks option, scroll through and you'd find the BNB Smart Chain. Click on the BNB Smart Chain and make sure you enable the network so that your BNB Smart Chain tokens and the BNB itself would be registered on your wallet. Otherwise, the tokens might not show up and you might not be alerted when the tokens are deposited into your wallet. So click on save, and if you head to the assets menu and perform a reload, you'd find the BNB token on your wallet. By doing this, you've simply enabled the BNB network, which means your BNB tokens would be listed as such. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.